Sizing a solar PV system for a home. 1. Make a list of appliances and lights you use each day: TV, fans, lights, fridge, etc. 2. Note the wattage of each appliance from its nameplate or manual. For example, a ceiling fan may be 80 watts. 3. Estimate how many hours per day each appliance is used. For example, the ceiling fan may be on for 8 hours per day. 4. Multiply the wattage by the estimated hours of use per day for each appliance. So for the ceiling fan, 80 watts by 8 hours equals 640 watt-hours per day. 5. Add up the daily watt-hours for all appliances to get the total home's energy needs per day. 6. Multiply the total by 1.3 to account for system losses. This gives the total watt-hours per day the solar panels need to produce. 7. Divide the total watt-hours per day by 3.43, solar hours per day in India lies BW 3 to 5, to get the total solar panel wattage needed. 8. Choose solar panels, e.g. 250 watts each, and divide the total watts needed by the panel size to get the minimum number of panels. 9. Install a couple extra panels to handle future energy needs and cloudy days. So in daily terms, make a list of what you use and how many hours per day. Size the solar system based on the total energy needs. Select panels and calculate how many you need. Example, a house has the following electrical appliance usage. 1 18-watt fluorescent lamp with electronic ballast used 4 hours per day. 1 60-watt fan used for 2 hours per day. 1 75-watt refrigerator that runs 24 hours per day with compressor run 12 hours and off 12 hours. The system will be powered by 12 VDC, 110 WP PV module. 1. Determine power consumption demands. Total appliance use equals 18 W by 4 hours, plus 60 W by 2 hours, plus 75 W x 24 by 0.5 hours, equals 1092 watt-hours per day. Total PV panels energy needed equals 1092 by 1.3. Multiply the total appliances watt-hours per day times 1.3, the energy lost in the system, equals 1419.6 watt-hours per day. 2. Size the PV panel. 2.1 Total WP of PV panel capacity needed equals 1419.6 divided by 3.4 equals 413.9 WP. 2.2 Number of PV panels needed equals 413.9 divided by 110 equals 3.76 modules. Actual requirement equals 4 modules. So this system should be powered by at least 4 modules of 110 WP PV module. Let me know if this helps explain the basic solar sizing process.